Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to fix the photo mode missing issue on TikTok. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the TikTok app and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the bottom menu bar, open the profile page. Once the profile page opens up, from the top right side, tap on these three horizontal lines, and from this bottom menu, open Settings and Privacy. In this menu, scroll down to find the Support and About section and open the Report a Problem option. In the Topics, open the Account and Profile dropdown and select Editing Profile. Here, select the last option, which is Others. From the end of the screen, tap on Need More Help. Here in the text box, describe your problem about the missing photo mode option on your TikTok and add a screenshot if needed. Once you are all done, tap on Submit. The TikTok support team will contact you within 24 HRS and help you to solve the photo mode option issue on your TikTok account. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.